In this video, you will learn how to create even better looking forms with just a few clicks. On the home page of our help site, scroll down to the Form Style page and click See More, or you can search CSS in the search bar at the top. Once you're on the Style Your Forms with CSS page, you can decide which form style you like the most. Today, I'm going to go with this one. Once you've found the one you like, you can click Copy Style here and make sure it says Style Copied. After copying the CSS code, navigate to your Integrify instance of your form and click on the CSS tab. Now here's where you will paste in your CSS code you copied and make sure to click Save. Now click on the Preview tab to view your new and improved form. It's that easy. If you have any questions about how to use CSS, always feel free to contact your customer success team.